down here.
Good morning, guys. It's 6 o'clock in the morning and my car won't start.
Up in the air, you gotta get up here. I can't see.
What if she drops her car?
Look at that corrosion on there.
Yeah, I know.
I didn't know it was that color though. I always thought it was white.
Nope.
What's the blue come from?
Aqua.
Damn it.
Aqua.
You can't read the lights on.
I can't see my finger.
Your
I need a
hand
boat,
got
not
in
my
the
finger.
way.
Down there. Something right down there. Not down here.
Okay.
I'm there. Got it.
Got it?
Okay, it's fucking. This is a safety thing. It holds your boat on. I mean, your motor. It's so your battery don't go flying around. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
I couldn't see because the light was in my way. I mean, my hands. See, it's a safety thing.
Oh, okay.
See all that corrosion though?
Yeah, it's a lot.
And then all that.
It's real
I'm
bad.
gonna grab a screwdriver.
This is crazy.
Look at all this. I gotta get all this off. Hopefully it's the battery, not the alternator. It should be the battery.
I know.
Because it does that, it means it's no good.
Yeah, then it means it's the alternator.
Yeah. They said our battery's only like got half a life or less.
Yeah. You be quiet, girl.
It's time for school, sissy. Dang, look at this. See that copper?
Yeah.
That's what makes it spark. It's just acid batteries just covering it up, giving it a bad connection.
Yep. That means it keeps coming out because it's no good.
Corrosion adds up over time. I'm not exactly sure, but yeah, probably. It's not really coming out. It's just. Look at yeah, look at this side. Look at all that.
Holy moly. There's some coke on that thing.
Yeah. So we'll get a battery, and then that's the work. If not, we gotta go to the alternator. I think it's the battery though.
Yeah, I think it's battery.
Check this side again. Well, I think that's good. Let's pull this bad boy out. Put your cap back on for now.
My car. I can't go anywhere till I get a battery later today. Okay.
Stick this in the trunk. And then
Oops.
this
Pop
in the trunk too,
you.
so don't. I'm gonna set this right here. Don't forget it.
Okay.
Well,
Oh, you already got it open.
then we'll be good after that. So.
Yep.
Look at my bag. I forgot about.
Oh yeah. Do you use it?
Not I could on the roof. Put my hammer and shit. I haven't used it. It's brand new.
Mm-hmm.
Still got my hot bottles in here.
Yeah.
Where's the keys? You got them?
Got them.
We gotta get that battery.
See battery. I can't believe how dark it is.
Bye, sissy. Bye, sissy.
It's literally 6:20 in the morning and look how freaking dark it is.
And I'm out taking the battery out.
Crazy. Poppy's about to go to work. Girls are about to go to school.
Yeah.
So that's it.